Hello, welcome back everyone. Now in this today's session, we are going to discuss about a very interesting problem. This problem statement is based upon HackerRank problem. And the problem states that we have to find the symmetric pairs. Before diving into the problem, I request you all, kindly execute this script in your SSMS so you both can solve the problem and understand the concept behind the problem parallelly. Here you are having a table named as symmetric pairs, which contains two columns, named as X and Y respectively. As you can see that in X and Y, we are having 6 rows and their values. So first of all, we will try to understand problem statement, and we will also explain the problem statement with some data. Problem statement states that write a query to output all the symmetric pairs in ascending orders. So first of all, we need to understand what do you mean by symmetric pairs. Symmetric pairs means that if x1 equals to y2 and x2 equals to y1, this is known as symmetric pairs. Let's here see that here x is equals to y and y is equals to x. Similarly, you can see that here x is equal to y and y is equals to x. This is called a symmetric pairs, and so on. X equals to y and y equals to x. So this is just a sample data. Like if you're going to solve this problem in HackerRank, then the data volume will be large, and in that case you have more scenarios. But here in this video, we are trying to understand the concept as how can we solve the problem based upon symmetric pairs. So you have understand the meaning of symmetric pairs. So just think about that. How can we solve this problem? How can we compare these values? Which type of concept we can use? So we can use here self-join concept. What is self-join? As I've stated in last videos also, a self-join means when we need to compare a table with itself, or we can say that when we are joining a table with itself on the basis of certain condition, it is known as self-join. So here, to understanding this problem statement more clearly and just understanding the data set, here I just copies the data. Let's see that this is a table T1 and we have table T2. And what we are going to do? We are going to do self-join. Okay. And what we need to compare? We need to compare that they are symmetric pairs or not. And what are symmetric pairs? If x1 equals to y2 and if y1 equals to x2, means horizontally they are matching or not. Okay. And here, as you can see here, like here is this one, x1 is equals to y2 and here x1 is equals to y2 and so on. So this is the basic condition of symmetric pairs. And this one more thing that we should represent in the output is that output should be x should be greater than y, means this value should be greater than this value. So how can we solve this problem? First of all, we will just execute this simple select statement, like select star from table name as symmetric pairs, as you can see here. And to solve this problem, what we have to do? We have to do self-join. What is self-join? If you're joining a table with itself, it is known as self-join. So I am passing join condition, and we're joining a table symmetric pair with itself only. So table name should be same, and we will give different aliases for that. Okay. And on the basis of certain condition, this condition is given in this question, like t1 dot x equals to t2 dot y and t1 dot y equals to t2 dot x. Let's execute this. Here we will take distinct record, and what we want in the output, t1 dot x and t1 dot y. Let's execute this and see. So we did self-join and we have compared data on the basis of certain condition, that is t1 dot x equals to t2 dot y and t1 dot y equals to t2 dot x. This is a basic condition of self-join, and it is also provided in the given question. Now coming to the second condition that is provided in the question is that x should be less than equals to y. So if we can pass one more condition, like where t1 dot x will be less than n equals to t1 dot y, then might be we will get a correct answer. Let's execute this. As you can see over the screen, these are the symmetric pairs as per the given problem statement. Let's see the problem statement once more, and we will compare the output. Let's execute both of this query. As you can see over the screen, this is a given problem statement, and what we need to do, we need to find a unique symmetric pairs over the table. So what we did, we applied the concept of self join, and we have compared the data on the basis of condition that has been provided in the question only. Okay, so that's how we solve the problem of symmetric pairs. The problem statement is very simple. This problem can be go in an easy category, and if you've gone through my videos, then you can solve this problem in a minute only. If you're liking my content, if you're liking the question, then please like, share and subscribe among your friends. It will definitely motivate me to publish more insightful videos for you. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.